Hey everyone, summer is here and that means it's burger season. So we're gonna make some In-N-Out style smash burgers here on Skottle. I'm Bryan with Tembo Tusk. Let's get started. We're going to prep our onions. I'm gonna do them two ways. One as like flat little medallions so I can brown them in the Skottle, and then I'm gonna dice the other half. Huge shout out to Equipped, AT and Benchmade at Overland Expo. They were asking who had been to all the expos, and I kind of grew up there, and they were giving this away. So I won these. It was also my birthday that day, so it was kind of fun. So yeah, now we get to use these awesome knives. So I'm gonna shred this lettuce. This will be the real test of how good these new knives are. Holy cow. Let's see how thin I can get it. That's pretty good. Let's chop these up into nice little rounds here. You know, if you don't like tomatoes, don't get them. We like tomatoes here. All right, so we got all of our other ingredients ready. Now we're gonna start prepping our meat. We got 5 pounds of 85-15. I like 80-20, that also works. We're gonna put it in a bowl and we're gonna season it. I'm also gonna put in some of those diced onions and mix them all together, and then we're gonna make them into little balls. We'll keep seasoning this. So get it all mixed up, season it throughout. All right, so I'm busy making our hamburger patties. I'm going for like a tennis ball size. I'd base it off of your buns. We got nice brioche buns. If you're doing like sliders, obviously you want to go way smaller than this, but we got full-size burger buns here, so. Let's get this Skottle preheated a little bit. You always want to slowly heat your Skottle. You don't want to crank it. When you slowly heat it, your heat pattern gets bigger, but when you crank it, it's just a little hot spot in the middle. We're gonna throw a little bit of butter down here. Smash it flat. Beautiful. Let that brown up on the bottom. Nice. With smash burgers, you want to make them as thin as you can so that they go quickly. Put those onions back in there. This is a good time to throw your buns along the edge. Get them nice and warmed up. If you want, you can dip them down in the oil, brown them a little bit. A little more. When doing smash burgers, wearing gloves is actually kind of nice. The other thing is, don't leave your spatula on the Skottle because you use it to press, so it gets really hot if you leave it sitting on here. So you can stick it in your leg table or you can hang on to it. That's my pro tip. You can actually probably start putting cheese down on your burgers while they're still here on the Skottle hanging out. You can use Kraft. We got some Sprouts cheese here, some Cheddar, and some Colby Jack. All right, buns are toasted. Burger is done. Join me over on the condiment side. We got our burger done here. We put both cheeses, Colby and Cheddar, grilled onion, a couple tomatoes. We got a couple pickles here too. This is a great trick that we like to do when we go camping. Stop by In-N-Out, grab their spread and some lettuce, and we're gonna slap the bun on top. And then there's your burger. That's how we make our In-N-Out style smash burgers on the Skottle. They ain't pretty, but they're really tasty. Also, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification button. You hear all those jokesters on YouTube, they all say it. Do that. You can also find us on Instagram at Tembo Tusk. If you like this recipe, you can find it in the description, or you can sign up for our newsletter and it'll get sent right to you every month, along with a bunch of other great and awesome information and updates about Tembo Tusk. Grab your Skottle, get outside, and get cooking. Holy crap, these knives are good. Chef's tax.
Go, Bryan, come on.
I'm waiting for the helicopter. And there it is. Take your time, guy. And I'll show you how to make the balls. Science. Couldn't tell you why. That's probably a bit much butter. It won't hurt you now, it'll hurt you in 20 years. Sorry, Jason. I would use oil. We use butter because. Oh no. A big old burger. And we'll throw that on the bun. There we go.
You need more than that.
You want more than that?
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. All right.
That's like the best part.
All right. Put all of the spread down. Get cooking, people. Let's go.